I really appreciate youngsters asking me about asset allocation and investing. It's an habit that needs to be formed. It doesn't matter how much you do it, but it's an habit. Every month you learn to live with little bit less amount. Small baby steps will go on to become a big tree in future. Just develop that habit. So here are things that you want to keep in mind. Anything that is likely to happen in next 2 to 3 years, what you want to do is you want to invest in, say, a fixed deposit which you can open with a bank. Or if you're going to have money coming in regularly from salary or whatever, there's something called as recurring deposit. Keep money in recurring deposit every month, keep putting it aside. Or mutual funds have something called as SIP, SIP. So you can start a systematic investment plan, but just look at that and just keep doing it. It's the habit that counts, because once you have formed a habit, you'll be able to reach your destination. So it has to be a debt-based instrument. Debt could be a little technical, hence I'm making life simpler. Either a fixed deposit or a recurring deposit or what they call as debt mutual fund. That's one part. You can take little more risk in terms of, things going up, things going down, and look at stock market. Now, obviously people don't have a lot of time to track stock market. Hence, a mutual fund, there is something called as SIP again, SIP, Systematic Investment Plan, or you can say sipping market slowly. So do that SIP, keep investing fixed amount, regular amount into a equity-based mutual fund. I know it's technical, but Google will give you enough information on equity-based mutual fund. But pick up a mutual fund, keep doing it regularly, and just 1 or 2 years prior to your requirement, keep transferring that money into bank account, and you can keep in fixed deposit or whatever, so that you have enough money. So here is a simple rule. Anything which is going to happen in next 1 or 2 or 3 years, look at bank deposit, look at debt-based mutual funds, bonds and whatever. If it's long term, 7, 8, 9 years, look at stock market, equity mutual fund. You can also buy a certain amount of gold. That's the way you're creating a bouquet. You have all sorts of products inside your portfolio, so that it's not in one particular asset class. So if the entire thing goes up, whole thing goes up, and if it falls, everything falls. It's like a seesaw that we have as kids we used to play. One going up, one going down, but the center balance always remains. So if you have any queries on either asset allocation or where to invest or to write a will, or if you're going abroad, or should I buy a health insurance or a life insurance, please communicate with us. You can post the query, or you can tweet us, or just send us a Skype ID, and we'll try and establish communication with you. So goodbye, have fun, and write to us.